Look at that. They're trying to compete with Popeyes. One of a kind, crispy and juiciness. Two of a kind joy.
I smell it.
Hello everyone. We're at the food capital, the fast food capital of the world. Jollibee right behind us. Alright, we're gonna actually order some food. We'll take it back home. We're actually gonna eat it here though. But we're gonna take our experience home and then we're gonna try to recreate the same food that they make here. So let's go.
We are here in Jollibee. I've never been to a drive-thru for Jollibee. Oh, the line is very long. Bro, we were chilling just like on the street right next to it. And it smelled so good. Here it is.
I just rolled down my window. You can smell all of it.
Oh, they can't smell it though. But you know, we can. We can.
Drive-through open. Now you gotta take down that number. You never know when you're gonna need it in an emergency. You can get the family bundle, $20. You never go wrong with the chicken and the, what is that? Palabok? No, spaghetti.
Good afternoon, Jollibee drive-thru. What can I get for you today?
Can I do a Jolly spaghetti?
Spaghetti?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I do the Aloha Yum Burger?
Okay. Anything else?
And that'll be it.
Would you like any peach mango pie for today?
No, thank you.
Okay, 1314 out the window. Thank you.
I think. I feel like we're gonna have some audiences out there. They're like, you skipped out on the pie.
Thank you for Jollibee.
Thank you.
Yay, go. Eat in the parking lot?
Yeah. Alright, here's the Jolly spaghetti. Nice. And then the fries. They look like McDonald's fries, to be honest. This is the Aloha Yum Burger. You can see that pineapple slice right there in the middle.
It was painful.
Our camera kind of died during recording. While she was eating, it was kind of difficult for her to swallow and chew everything out because she did recently get her wisdom teeth out. So
2 holes in my mouth.
we're actually here at the Jollibee in Union City.
There's a drive-thru. Holla.
You don't need to leave your car, but keep a mask on while you're grabbing your food.
For real?
But honestly, the Jollibee here at Union City is way better than the other ones that we've ever been to.
Do not go to the one in San Jose. Do not go to the one in Milpitas. Horrible.
Come here in Union City, Filipino capital of California.
I remember when I recently had the one in Milpitas and it tasted like it was like a few days old.
There's no love. There's love here in Union City. Alright everyone, I finished my food before she did, so she's gonna take a little bit more time working on that. But we'll go back to the kitchen and try to recreate this. Alright everyone, so we had to make a stop to the Filipino grocery store. We're here at Seafood City and you'll see in this section it's literally all kinds of Filipino sausages. They range from longanisa to hamonado to the ones we're getting here, which are Filipino red hot dogs. These are the same kind of hot dogs you find sliced up in Jollibee spaghetti. Also, while I was walking around, I noticed that there were these pouches that contained already made Filipino spaghetti sauce. I'll actually be showing you how to make the sauce yourself because everyone's flavor palette is different and it's good to adjust the sauce to your liking. But if you're not really into it, or if you're trying Filipino spaghetti for the first time and you want to get a feel for how it should taste, then this would be a good product to start off with. Alright, let's head to the kitchen. Hey everyone, I'm welcoming the new year. We have a new series, new videos, new recipes, same old me, so come and join us. To everyone watching, I'm going to take us back to the main part of the video in just a second. But I wanted to give you a brief welcome to 2021, and I'm going to tell you about the new series that I'm starting called Emulate and Imitate. So the premise of the series is for me and the wifey to go to our favorite restaurants, order the food that we love, and then we'll take them back to the kitchen to recreate them with my own special twist on them. If there's a restaurant that you want us to visit and recreate, just let me know in the comments below, and then we'll plan out a trip to go visit them and try the food out there. So for the first episode of the series, we chose Jollibee. I don't know about you, but Jollibee has always been a favorite of ours. She always got spaghetti, and then I always got the Aloha Yum Burger. The food is affordable, it's delicious, and it hits home like no other. Now remember, this isn't the exact recipe of Jollibee, it's just my take and my twist on it. So don't come at me. Let's go make it now. Here's what you'll need. Spaghetti noodles, ground beef, red hot dogs, evaporated milk, onion, tomato sauce, your choice of shredded cheese, and your choice of banana ketchup. Filipino spaghetti is usually sweet, but I like to spice things up with this hot and spicy banana ketchup. Let's start with a stock pot filled with water and some salt. Bring it to a boil and cook the noodles. It typically takes around 10 minutes for al dente. Now for the mise-en-place. Grab the onion and dice it nicely. I personally don't like too much onion in my sauce, so I'm just using half of it. Then let's chop the red hot dogs. Medium chunks are the perfect size. Once the noodles have finished, drain out the water and continue the same stock pot for sauteing the onions. Then we'll add the ground beef and cook it until it's brown. Afterwards, we can then add the sliced red hot dogs and let it mix with the sauteed onion and ground beef. Take everything out and continue with the pot to work on the spaghetti sauce. We'll go in with the tomato sauce and let it simmer. Then we'll add the banana ketchup. You'll notice that I'm actually using quite a bit of force to get the sauce out. If this is your first time using banana ketchup, you can expect a very gelatinous consistency coming out of the bottle. Stir the sauce together very well before we go in with the evaporated milk. You want to mix this in a little bit at a time so that you can taste the sauce in between and see if you want to add anything more to your liking. I ended up using a whole 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and added a little bit of fresh ground pepper to my taste. Once the sauce is perfectly to your liking, add the sauteed onion, ground beef, and hot dogs back into the pot and stir it occasionally until the sauce thickens out. Then the last thing to do is pour it over your noodles and add the shredded cheese. And that's all there is to it, Filipino spaghetti. Now let's go make the Aloha Yum Burger. What you'll need are 2 rolled up balls of ground beef, romaine lettuce, canned pineapple slices, 2 slices of American cheese, QP mayo, and your choice of bun. For my burger recipes, I almost always use Filipino bread rolls, aka pandesal. Brioche buns got nothing on these. Alright, let's cook the patties, but we're gonna do it smash burger style. So just press down on it and don't worry too much about the shape. For added flavor, I'm adding a little bit of butter, but it's totally optional. Then we'll melt the cheese, stack them on top of each other, and then get started on toasting the buns. Once toasted, we can finally start assembling the burger. Mayo goes on top of the bun, then the lettuce over it. Above that goes 2 patties, and then finally a slice of pineapple. Just look at that. Better than Jollibee, am I right? No, just kidding, they're still better. But those are the 2 dishes, everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching this premiere episode to my new series of Emulate and Imitate. Definitely comment below what you think of my recipes and if you'd like me to review some of your favorite foods. I'm open to everything, Malaysian, Burmese, Punjabi, Indonesian, just let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and as always, stay hungry fam.